Good morning, Team GR, and welcome to this week's celebration assembly. Bom dia, como vai? Bom dia, como vai? Our language of the month is Portuguese, and last week we learnt how to say good morning, which is bom dia, bom dia. But if we want to say good morning, how are you? We need to be able to say bom dia, como vai? Bom dia, como vai? And to answer that question, because it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? If we wanted to say I'm well or I'm good, we'd say tudo jóia. And we could give a thumbs up as well, so we could say tudo jóia. Okay, should we try that again? Bom dia, como vai? Tudo jóia. Okay, so what a busy week it has been, and let's be honest, it's been kind of dark and dreary and rainy and miserable outside, but it hasn't mattered at all because you have brought lots and lots of sunshine and positivity into school from showing our pride values and being really passionate this week about our new and exciting learning, as well as being dependable and empathetic. So important at the moment, and making sure we're all looking after each other, not just in school, but at home as well. Really proud of all of you. I bet it's been a very difficult choice again for the teachers to select our stars of the week, but let's hear all about it now.
Hello, Mrs. Smithson here from Montpurgo class on the middle floor. Now, quite often it's tricky to choose a star of the week. I had quite an easy job this week choosing my star of the week. My star of the week makes me want to reach for our empathetic Ellie, because this young lady is the kindest friend I think anybody could ask for. She looks out for her friends, she supports her friend, and she is always there for them. She is a superstar at showing all our pride values all the time. And if you bump into her in the hallway or the stairwell, I guarantee she will be walking with pride. She's an absolutely brilliant example in our classroom, always on track. My star of the week for Montpurgo class for being empathetic like Ellie is Eleanor.
Good morning, everyone. Mrs. Mangam here from Donaldson class. Wow, what a week it has been, full of hard work and brimming with kindness. Down here in Donaldson class, we have an amazing team of children who have been working really, really hard, and I'm super proud of every single one of you. So well done, all of you. We do have a star of the week this week, and our star of the week is dependable, just like Daisy. Always working hard, working as hard as they can, trying their best in everything they do. We're super proud of this person who is always brilliant. Well done, Olivia. You are our star of the week.
Well, good morning, Mr. Morland here from the Pullman Year 5 class on the top floor. We've had another tremendous week, and it's been really great now as our class starts to knit together and we get used to being back in school, to see all the wonderful learning which is going on across our class. And we've had loads of people making it up on to the top of our sunshine board this week. In fact, my star of the week has been there not once, twice, 3 times, but 4 times prior to this assembly this week. They have shown super passion, intrepidity, and also dependability in their learning, and they are becoming a real shining example to those around them, and that is giving me great hope that they're going to have a super year here in Year 5 at Grove Road. So my star of the week is Harvey. Well done, Harvey.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you've all had a wonderful week. We've been shining so brightly in Dal class this week, As always, it's been such a difficult decision. We've had lots of children on the Smiley Sun and showing great passion for their learning. But one little learner in Dal class has shone extremely brightly because they have been really persevering with their writing. Now, this person can find writing a little bit tricky at times and a bit of a challenge. So they've had to be a lot like Rocco and be really resilient. And they did some wonderful writing with Mrs. Dionisio this week. And also we've noticed this person being super helpful with hand washing and making sure that everything is in the bin, and they've been doing some really good coaching and helping the children in our class. So for all those reasons and for being a little superstar, our star of the week this week is Ennis.
Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Ravina from Ralph class, and the weather in Ralph class this week has been exceptionally good. The weather outside might have been raining, but it has been shining all the way up there on the top floor. After our Viking visit last Friday, we have produced some brilliant sentences all about the Vikings using some fabulous vocabulary. I have been really proud of how kind everyone has been to each other, how helpful everyone has been, and just couldn't be prouder of every single person in the room. Choosing Star of the Week was therefore really, really hard. But in the end, it went to someone who I think has been on the Smiley Sun nearly every day since term started. This is someone who always does the right thing. Whenever I look around the room, he's doing what he should. He's kind, he's helpful, he does his best work, and I couldn't be more impressed. So this is for you, Joe. Well done.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Kendall again in Milne class, and we have had another crazily busy week here. We have been staying for lunches, which has been so exciting, and I'm very, very proud of all of the children because they've coped so well with it. So well done everybody. However, there's someone who's really stood out this week because she has been extremely passionate, just like our friend Paolo here. And she is always full of enthusiasm, full of passion and full of fun. I don't think I've seen her stop smiling the whole time that she's been here. She is just an absolute little ray of sunshine, and she's making so many new friends because she is just a great person to be around. So our star of the week this week in Milne class is Ruby.
Good morning everybody, Mr. Harrison here from Taylor class on the top floor. So our star of the week in Taylor class has just had a phenomenal start to year 6. She's so kind, she's thoughtful, she's dependable, she looks after those people around her, and she's just always got a quick smile and a friendly chat for anyone who needs a bit of a pep talk and a bit of lifting up. And also we've had a couple of new boys who've started in our school, and this young person has made it her mission to make those boys feel welcome in our school, showing them round, playing games with them in the playground, and just making sure that they've got smiles on their faces every minute that they're in school. And really, it's like having another teacher around, and it's just such a pleasure. So for being incredibly dependable and empathetic with our new classmates, but also for being resilient with her recent challenge with her broken arm, and that kind of narrows it down a bit, our star of the week is Mia.
Hi, this is Mrs. Homburg from Kurdish Pandey class on the top floor. Star of the week in Kurdish Pandey class has stood out from the very beginning of term. She is always ready. She's always dependable. She's always passionate about her work, and she always does everything with a big smile on her face. Mrs. Harrison Wood and Mrs. Ponciani have really noticed her this week, and I am so proud to say that Star of the Week in Kurdish Pandey class is Sophia. Well done, Sophia.
hope you've had a nice week. I'm Miss Atkinson and I'm in Reynolds class, and I'm here to tell you that my star of the week has been shining really brightly. My star of the week is new to Grove Road School and she has blown me away with her dependability. She's been so dependable like Daisy, doing everything I've asked her to do straight away. She's always ready to look and ready to listen, and she's been really intrepid and having a go at everything, and I'm just really proud of her, and I hope she's really proud of herself. So my star of the week is Gabriella.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Barrett and I work in Rosen class, and our start of the week this week is somebody who is just so dependable. Every time I look at him, he's showing me that he's looking, he's showing me that he's listening, and he's always trying his best. He puts his hand up all the time, he tries hard with every challenge that he tries to do, and he is so good at working as part of a team. I just couldn't be prouder of this person. He's just an all-round superstar every single day. But this week he's particularly impressed me with how dependable he's been working in a team. And him and another friend made this most fantastic pyramid that we've been thinking about in our construction area, and he built this pyramid and he reflected on it. They went back and they made it even better, and then they shared it with everybody in our sharing journal and with the class, and it was just the most amazing bit of teamwork, and I was super proud of both people. But I have decided to give star of the week this week to Seth.
Hi, I am Miss Graddon. I work in Reynolds class with Miss Atkinson and Mrs MacArthur, and I just wanted to send a huge well done to Mia this week for being so empathetic towards her friends in the classroom and working so super hard with her work. She's done amazing this week. I'm so proud. Well done!
Hi, I'm Mrs Wilkinson. I'm one of the lucky TAs to work in Milne class down in reception. I've really enjoyed the last few weeks getting to know our new class. I'm really proud of them all. I've been having so much fun with them all already. But there's someone I just wanted to give a special mention to because we've started having lunch in big school this week and it's been quite a big change. And there's one person who's been really resilient and has coped really well with stopping for lunch. And that person is Matteo. I'm really proud of you. Well done.
Well done if you have been to see me this week for a Head Teachers Award, or perhaps you're coming to see me later on today for a Head Teachers Award. And for all of you who have reached the Smiley Sun this week, bringing that positivity and sunshine into school that I mentioned earlier, well done. Can we give all of those children a great big Team GR round of applause, please?
Give me one, give me two, give me 1, 2, 3. Give me one, give me two, give me 1, 2, 3. Give me one, give me two, give me 1, 2, 3. Give me one, give me two, give me 1, 2, 3. We are the children of Grove Road School. We take a pride in the things we do, learning together and having fun. Who's for a good day? Everyone! Give it one, give it two, give it 1, 2, 3. Give it one, give it two, give it 1, 2, 3. Give it all you got, 'cause you really got a lot. Give it heart, give it mind, give it soul, don't stop. Give it all you got, 'cause you really got a lot. Give it heart, give it mind, give it soul, don't stop. We are the children of Grove Road School. We take a pride in the things we do, learning together and having fun. Who's for a good day? Everyone! Everyone's special, everybody has gifts, so we're gonna work together and we're gonna learn to give. Everyone's special, everybody has gifts, so we're gonna work together and we're gonna learn to give. Give it one, give it two, give it 1, 2, 3. Give it one, give it two, give it Give it 1, 2, 3. Give it all you got, 'cause you really got a lot. Give it heart, give it mind, give it soul, don't stop. Give it all you got, 'cause you really got a lot. Give it heart, give it mind, give it soul, don't stop. Everybody's special, everybody has gifts, so we're gonna work together and we're gonna learn to give. Everybody's special, everybody has gifts, so we're gonna work together and we're gonna learn to give. Give it 1, give it 2, give it 1, 2, 3. Give it 1, give it 2, give it 1, 2, 3. We are the children of Progress School. We take the pride in the things we do, learning together and having fun. Who's for a good day? Everyone, let's go!
Okay, I have been waiting to share this with you all week because it is my Team GR Star of the Week. And this person is somebody that I always feel I can depend on. No matter what I ask them to do or how I ask them for help, they're always ready to help me and to help the school and to help you by doing lots of different things across the building. And that includes taking care of you and looking after you if you hurt yourself. And it also includes for lots of you helping you with your learning, helping you learn from marvelous mistakes and to challenge yourself and be brave and intrepid like Indy. And this person's brave and intrepid like Indy as well, because they're always ready to give things a go and try things even if they've not done it before. And I think Team GR really benefit from the help and support and the passion from this person every single day they are in school. They also help all of us to feel more positive and happy because they are such a kind and caring person. So my Team GR Star of the Week is Mr. Smith. Okay, have a lovely Friday, have a wonderful weekend, and make sure you are ready for lots of learning next week. We've got lots of things to achieve next week. I believe we're going to be voting for our house captains and vice captains, and I will be asking those children to help me think about our playtimes and lunch times and the equipment we're using and the games that we can play and playground rules to make sure we're all following so that we are safe and looking after each other, and lots of wonderful learning in the classrooms, of course. So make sure you get some rest and enjoy some family time this weekend. Stay safe. It's goodbye from me, Mr. P, and all the other teachers and members of Team GR.